Christine and Jay,
Hi.
BC field reporters. We're here in Parksville, Qualicum Beach area, just outside of Coombs at the World Parrot Refuge.
Yeah, we're on Vancouver Island, and we are gonna go inside and see Wendy and have some fun with the birds.
Come on. They come from all over Canada and the States, and they're usually people's pets that might not have been taken care as well as they should have been, or the owners realize that they don't have enough time to care for these birds, so they bring them here, and everyone's kind enough to take care of them and give them a better home.
Who do we have here?
I love you, little girl. I love you, little girl. I love you, little girl.
So Nikki's just losing a bit of her feathers, but she's not sick, so don't worry.
Come on, there you go. Tickles.
So we got the macaws here on this corner. This guy's really pretty up here. There's a red one.
Hi, pretty bird. Hello. What do you do? She's talking to me.
Christine, who are we here with today?
This is Wendy, the owner and operator of World Parrot Refuge.
Wendy, can you tell us a little bit about the place you have here?
Yeah, the World Parrot Refuge is a 23,000 square foot heated indoor building that's flights that has, at this moment, over 700 parrots, and the number keeps increasing. As you can see, they fly here. They no longer have to be restricted to living in a 2 foot by 4 foot cage. They get to fly. This is a Goffin's cockatoo. There are 2 of them in here. They're little terrorists, aren't you? These are umbrella cockatoos.
Hello.
What's that? What's going on?
This is a severe macaw, smaller version, and supposedly he's really mean, so be careful.
Oh. This is the cockatoo section. Oh, you're looking much better, aren't you?
No.
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
We run virtual adoption programs here where people can sponsor a bird, but not actually own it or take it away.
Do you have a new friend?
Don't take my hair out. What?
Oh my goodness!
She's a hyacinth macaw. They're the largest of the parrots.